Hi everyone, my name is Pia Rocales and welcome to my blog. Today I'm gonna explain to you what is MIL, which means Media and Information Literacy, and the impacts of media and information literacy to our life and society. So there are 5 guide questions here. Number 1, what is media and information literacy? Number 2, what is the importance of media and information literacy for us? Number 3, is media and information relevant to the society? And number 4, why is media and information literacy important in society? And last, number 5, how does media and information literacy helps us? What is media and information literacy? Media and information literacy plays an important role in communication. Media and information will enable us to access, understand, and create communications in a variety of contexts, in the form of accessing, understanding, and creating media and information. Number 1 guide question: what is media and information literacy? So, for me, media and information literacy are the essential skills and welfare. It allows individuals or people like us engage with medias like Facebook, Twitters, Instagram, and other information providers effectively. MIL examines how users search, evaluate, use, and contribute information. It can make the communication fast between individuals. It makes us develop critical thinking and lifelong learning skills to socialize and become active citizens. Number 2 guide question: what is the importance of media and information literacy for you? The importance of media and information literacy is that it helps us access and locate suitable media information sources. It also aims to develop students like me to be creative and critical thinkers, as well as responsible users of media and information. MIL assess as describing on how communication influenced by media and information. Let us remember that media plays a huge role on how people communicate nowadays. Number 3 guide question: is media and information relevant to the society? It's a really big yes for me. It is now relevant in our society. In today's generation, media have become more essential in our daily needs. Communicate to each other using media like Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, which means it make the communication more easier. 4 guide question: why is media and information literacy important in our society? This media and information literacy is important to our society because through this, we become more connected to different people around the world. MIL reduces the barriers of communication and making it easier for everyone to express their thoughts around the world. And one thing that makes it important is that we can gain knowledge and information to it that we can get and apply in our society. The last guide question: how does media and information literacy helps us? Media and information literacy helps us in a way that we can get information and be informed of what is happening in the world or to other people just by using media. MIL empowers citizens like us to access, evaluate, retrieve, and understand, as well as share information and media content in all formats. Moreover, this literacy gives us the way to acquire and access information wherein everyone can interact and be notified with various people even out in the country. And that is all for my vlog. I hope you gain some knowledge and get my point. And lastly, thanks for watching.